Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. मैं हूँ आपकी टेक बहू जो लाती है tips and tricks to make your life simpler and easier. 26th of December बॉक्सिंग डे होता है जिसमें बहुत ऑफर्स होते हैं और मैंने इस सेल में लिया एक मैक का लिपस्टिक सेट जिसमें 5 लिपस्टिक्स थी और बहुत एक्साइटेड होकर मैंने घर आया और मैंने ट्राई की लिपस्टिक्स उसमें से, लेकिन 2 ऐसे शेड्स थे जो मैंने ट्राई किए और लिटरली मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि एक डेड लिप्स जैसे जो मेकअप में शायद यूज करते हो जब स्पेशली फॉर वीटिश स्किन. तो but since I had bought them already, I thought I'll just mix some shades that I already have and use them in because I've already bought them. So I just thought I'll share them with you. तो 2 shades थे जो मुझे नहीं पसंद आए या सूट नहीं किए rather. These are 2 MAC lipsticks and these stay very well. These don't get off very easily and they're awesome. They dry up easily, but I still want to use them. So this is one shade. I tried mixing some. So I also tried mixing some food color into it just to see if I could change the labels. Don't do that; it doesn't work. So we'll start with this one right here. This one is called Divine. Okay, and the number is 056. So this is Divine 056. First I'll use it without anything. So इस पे जो आप थोड़े कलर्स देख सकते हैं वो इसलिए है क्योंकि मैं इसको शेड मिक्स करने की कोशिश कर रही थी. Just gonna put this up. जैसे आप देख सकते हैं ये बहुत ही लाइट है मेरी स्किन के लिए और काफ़ी अनकंफर्टेबल सा कलर लग रहा है ये, लेकिन इट्स पर्पलिश पिंकिश very dull pink and maybe I don't think I can use it. But what I'm using now is an in color N2 and it's just a lip gloss. I'm just going to use it on it. आप देख सकते हैं ये एक शेड डार्क होती है लिपस्टिक. It still has the shade that MAC shade, but it's a little more usable on my skin, so I totally can use it and I don't feel like I wasted my money. तो इसीलिए मैं आपको सजेस्ट करूँगी कि आप ये यूज़ करें हैक इस लिपस्टिक के लिए. और जो दूसरी लिपस्टिक है मेरे पास, अब मैं मेकअप रिमूवर नहीं यूज़ करती बिकॉज ऑफ सेंसिटिव स्किन, सो जस्ट टेकिंग सम कोकोनट ऑयल. I'm going to go to the next shade. The next shade is of MAC A06. It's called Flesh Stone and literally it looks like skin. See, that's the color. And it is obviously doesn't look nice. That is जैसे मूवीज में डेड बंदे दिखाने के लिए जैसे वैसे कर देते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसे लगता है जैसे आप देख सकते हैं. ये देखिए कितना ही स्टोनी लुक है. Now this is something you can never ever use, but like I told you, I gotta use it, tips and tricks. So I'm going to use this one. This is L18 shade Berry Crush. This is a very nice lipstick. I like it too much. It's almost getting over, but this is with shea butter, so it keeps my lips. So I'm just gonna use this and do this. Very dark shade. There is a little bit of purple in it, so if you still just want a very nudish and brown look, you can continue using this lipstick because of the berry blush. The berry blush is like really purple. अगर आप देख सकते हैं तो it's this shade. So when you use this color or any dark color for that matter, I like purple best with all my matches. So at least it looks like there is something nudish on my lips, but it's not really maybe the best lipstick match, but I'm sure I can just use it to work, or maybe when I'm wearing something like beige or something. So that's it guys, I hope you like this tips and tricks, and if you have such shades then do let me know the name of the shade. I can match and tell you what you should be using it with. Till next time, this is your Tech Bubble signing off.